Hey guys, I'm back and we're on a part 2. Sad the way how it doesn't show me what time is it, like AM or PM. I wake up about 6 o'clock most of the time. I pick 6.
Okay, you're the boss. Go to plan.
I'm gonna cry. That's something that will haunt. Whoa! Little glitch. I was like sliding on my bed. That was funny. Hope you guys saw
Sick
that.
of remembering her that way. It's never a dream of her tiny face pressing the window when she knows I was coming over. What a little wobbly dance she did. It's always the same nightmare.
Well, I've just noticed I don't see his voice moving, so I'm just thinking that he's just like thinking it in his head. Maybe a little bit brighter. Hey, I gotta make this perfect for me, okay? Call me old titties. Whoa, what you doing there?
Lucky for me, the city's full of distractions. And they can't hide from me.
Reported missing. Banned from... What'd you do there? Ex-military frequent online purchase books. Profile for potential clients. Whoa, hey, no making out around me. I get a little, I'm just kidding. So what you doing there? Whoops. Meant to jump over. Whoa. Use his birthday as password. That's me.
I'll have to thank CTOS one day. Took a breach of the facial recognition software, and I got access to everyone's personal details.
Whoa. Whoa, what you be doing there? You be searching up porn? Oh god, no. Say more than that. If it's crime, I would expect it to be, maybe like actually happened, I guess. Comic book collector. Hey, that's my brother. He has like over 50. Choose you. Dude, what's the matter? She ruined me. She won't get away with it. Don't be crazy, calm down. Hey, what? Oh, yeah, that's amazing.
That guy got out of control.
I'm pixelated.
I'm not gonna let him hurt anyone today.
Alright, hey, so where's my car?
Trace of his
Oh,
car.
somebody jacked my car. I'm gonna go get this car over here. Oh, beautiful. Whoops. I didn't do anything. Calm down. I ain't gonna run you over. Okay, I almost ran you over. Oh.
Alright. He's here somewhere. Smoke carefully. Don't get spotted. Let the profiler do the work.
Hey, I was gonna, pop... What? Alright, so... I played Assassin's Creed 3 before.
There we go. He's gotta be close.
Oh.
She must be the woman he's after. This guy's close. I can feel it.
You don't see me.
Hey, we need to talk.
There's nothing to talk about. We're done. Deal with it.
Fucking wrong. I'm not done yet.
Get away!
Oh, hell no. Oh, no. No, run away. Excuse me, girl. Shit. Fuck, I gotta get him. Don't worry, I'm gonna get him. Don't cry. Fuckers. Damn it. Fuck, I gotta chase him down. Ooh, come on, street lights. Come on. Shit. This is gonna be for a while. Fucker. Damn it, I got in my way. Excuse me. Can I take him down? Woo! Dude, beautiful.
You don't bother anyone now.
Joking. Frequent points. Oh my god. I need to stop profiling people. I'm just gonna notice that they're poor people. They're desperate. No offense. Check out my hacking. More hacking. What? Whoa, where are you running? Oh. Ooh. Oh, so I got this. Increases weapon speed. That is actually pretty quick. Ooh. Oh, so that's pretty amazing. I'm sorry, I'm having a little fun there. Okay, he's just drunk. Don't mind him. Alright, I'm gonna fuck around with people. Oh, damn it. Hello?
Hey, I know, the party started.
It's almost over. Where are you?
I'm on my way.
You make me crazy. Jackson's really looking forward to it. Get over here. We miss you.
No one saw me.
Miss you too. I'll be there. Sorry, Nick, I need to take this. I'll see you soon.
Good. You got out. Look, if you need some wheels, give me a call. I'll set you up.
Pre-owned cars.
You'd rather register yourself at a car dealer? I don't ask questions. This guy gives me any ride I want. And you if you need it.
I just might. How's Maurice doing?
Oh, he's all sunshine and buttercups. I'm gonna dump him at my little dumping place.
I need
Whoa.
to lie.
So you dump guys?
Yeah, whatever.
Goes against your better nature, huh?
I'd pop him and be done, but hey, you pay me right, I'll keep him alive as long as you want. I do work for a paycheck.
Whoa, what's up with you? Oh. Ooh, that's pretty sexy. Ooh, muscle cars, sport cars, trucks. Do I gotta pay? Definitely. Sure.
Your ride's ready. Gassed up, wheels balanced, fluids checked, the works. You're welcome.
That's right. I don't know what you Alright, so where do I gotta go? See hotspots, iPhone game. Oh, come on. me? Whoa. How does the second stuff?
As if the close-scoring game wasn't exciting enough, there was a blackout at the stadium. More than half of the crowd was plunged into darkness, including the field. But that didn't stop Chicago from taking the late season win.
Ours is like football stadiums, soccer stadiums. What other sports are on? What was that? Oh, crime detected. Sorry about your mail. That was an accident. Alright, something like that. Oof. Competitive eater. Be interesting.
Robots everywhere!
Gee, what the hell is your...
You don't want to get involved.
Bath salt, dude, you can turn everyone into a zombie. Don't ever do that. Oh, heck, whoops. I'm such a good guy. Parkour. Uh-oh, I'm in someone's backyard. Oh, come on, I gotta parkour all this. Thank God. Just say surprise, motherfucker.
Oh, but you don't talk to me like that.
Hey. I teleport. You don't do that. I'm such a good guy. I'm sorry. I'll pay for that. I have insurance. I have Geico. I'm sorry. I'll pay for that. I'm sorry. That was an accident. Oh my God, the driving in this is so hard. It's like Gran Turismo. Oh my God, dude. Shit tossed the mushroom. So I gotta take it slow. Are there any clothes stores that I'm around? I want to buy some stuff. Ooh, there are. Later. Maybe I'll do a digital trip later.
I haven't been to Mickey since the funeral. Am I ready?
Maybe.
Jack's last birthday. We just sang off key. Happy birthday. Full throttle, no holds barred. Now, I'm afraid of the silence.
I need to get used to these controls.
Okay.
no, I think you're 9.
10.
9. 10. Well, in that case, you deserve 10 birthday tickles.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Stay here for a second.
Man, I got a look like a creeper right there. So that's his nephew.
So, an entire year and...
Wait. Yeah, I'm sorry, Nick. Really.
Come here. Let's have a look at you.
I have cute eyes. I mean, what?
Older.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
nice. Thanks for that.
His first birthday without Lena.
How's he doing?
Still doesn't talk to anybody but me. Yolanda says it's his way of maintaining some sort of control.
Oh, Yolanda.
Yolanda.
His therapist. She's helping him. It's good. Just slow.
Well, time heals all
It's
wounds.
hard, but we're gonna get through it. Jax.
Hey. Sorry I'm late. Now, yeah. Look at it. Wow. You are big.
Glitch.
So, hey, what do you got there? Wow, the healer. Cool. You bought him a real toy, huh?
Why don't you bring up your toys? I'm gonna speak with your uncle.
Yeah, I'll be up there in a second.
Oh, so this is like after the party. What is it?
It matters. You being here. I just need to make sure that things are different.
Things are different. You and Jax are the most important people in my life. I'm not going to stop watching out for you.
Always a big brother, huh?
It's kind of cute. Taking care for his family. I wonder if you could go inside the house like anytime you want. Visit them.
Last time I was back here, it was Lena's birthday. Jackson adored her.
Oh, glitching.
We all did.
You missed all the fun. The kids were playing vigilante, imitating that guy they keep talking about on TV.
Let me guess. Jax was the vigilante.
No, they were all the vigilantes, and I was the only villain, but I make a mean bad guy. I give them hell.
I should have come earlier. I could have warned them.
This is
Don't mess with my sister.
Remember when your mom was those biggest dogs, but Dad insisted his boy was going to have his birthday cake? That thing was an abomination. All burnt and lopsided. That was Dad in a nutshell.
Jackson's still.
He did a lot of ugly things, but it was always about family.
Can't rush it.
Listen to me, I'm rambling.
Oh, really? No, don't let me interrupt you.
Oh, they eat Cheerios. I'm just kidding. Imagine.
Who is this?
Oh my God, how they
Do you think
glitch
logging
like that.
caller ID will hide you? I don't know what's so entertaining, but the police won't find it very funny at all. I'm going to give you some advice.
Listen, the police can trace this call. Oh, nice.
I know where you live. How are the locks on those doors?
Who is this? Why are you calling?
Do you feel safe, Nikki?
Who was that?
Doesn't matter, just some stupid prank it happened.
you think this is strong enough?
Look, did you know his voice?
Oh, Jesus, Aiden, just leave it. It's fine.
It's fine. He thinks he can get
How
inside.
do you know what he thinks?
You're checking the lock.
Look, I can handle this on my own. We do not need your help.
Nikki, I can find this guy.
Hey, look, Aiden, God, you have not changed at all. We do not need your help. Please stop trying to fix our problems. Every time you try, you just make things worse.
Oh my god, that's ultimately bright.
There you go.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
It's pretty messed up.
Grown man making crank calls. See how safe you feel when I trace your call. There you are. Damn it. He's on the move.
Fuck, I gotta chase another guy.
I've been afraid of this.
Oh no. That was pretty quick too. Hollister.
So we have a deal? Shit, yeah, I can't believe you're paying me that much just to make a crank call. Nikki Pierce, right? I'll mention the locks like you said. And a kid. This feels wrong. That's the point.
Oh god, that thing's gonna explode.
That's Nikki. Who would pay for something like that?
I gotta add this guy. Where's my friend? Later. This thing's gonna go too long.
Did you get anywhere with Detson? Any of those CTOS hacks?
Yeah, I'm still trying. Never checking your own.
That's cool.
Give me time.
Okay, well, I need your help then. Can you trace the phone call?
How can I refuse my best client? Wait, what am I looking at here?
It's from a guy who threatened my family. I want to know who hired him.
Well, call came from somewhere in the Loop District. But that's as far as I can see.
Okay, I can hack CTOS inside the loop.
Then I should be able to pinpoint the source of that call.
Let's do that. Who's building a new CTOS?
No.
Perfect.
That's a try for San Francisco last month. We failed, and they just added more armed guards. But it won't be easy. Be careful.
You sound like my sister. Relax. Make sure I'm armed and dangerous.
So I'm at this guy quickly, and you guys can see part 3 later.